YouTube right here is quite an amazing platform which you can actually go on to watching a lot of movies right here. And if you do intend on posting movies or publishing movies on YouTube right now, I'm going to show you and walk you through a very cool strategy you can use to do just that on this particular platform without actually infringing into the copyright laws right now. So if you do stick until the end of this video, you can actually learn how to do just that right here. And basically guys, I create videos on how to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel right here called OJ Marketing, and there are a lot of content that could help you out. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you boost your income online. Diving right back into the video of today, what you want to get done first of all on YouTube right now is to actually get a particular movie which you want to just simply go into uploading on platforms like YouTube right here. And you can utilize this particular website called the Box Office Mojo, and this is actually an amazing platform that you can use to get domestic box office movies in the year 2023 right now. And you can see right here that these are actually the top movies right here. There are a lot of cool movies you can actually do see right here on this particular platform. So basically guys, if you want to focus on one of the movies, you just need to select that. And this is an example of a channel that does just that. This channel gets a lot and lots of engagement right here, and you can see right now for every video they do post, they are getting lots of views right now. This video was posted a day ago and it got about 7.7 thousand views. And you can see right here that the videos with this channel actually goes on to uploading are actually videos that are 12 minutes to 15 minutes long right now. And basically what they do is that they do go on to utilizing an AI voiceover over movie snippets right there, or short movie clips right now. And the voiceover actually gives them a summary of the movie right there, and they go on to utilizing that to get a lot of engagement and a lot of traffic, which can enable them make a lot of money online. So you could do just that right there with the strategy I'm about to reveal to you right here in this video. So once you've actually went on to the first step, which is to select a movie which you want to utilize, and supposing I want to use the Top Gun Maverick, you want to just simply go on to maybe focusing more on getting a summary of that particular movie. And for us to get a summary of that movie right there, we're not actually going to go on to watching the entire movie. You may just want to utilize Google by going on to Google and searching for Top Gun Maverick summary, and you'll be able to see some cool synopsis of the movie right now. But you can scroll down to you could get to this IMDb option, select this particular option right here, of which will be brought to this page, and you can actually do see the summary of the movies right now. These are actually people's summary of the movie right here, but you can see the synopsis of the movie right now. So basically what you want to do right now is to go on to utilizing this synopsis to create your video. But guys, if you go on to using this synopsis directly as it is right here, you are actually going to go on to breaking the copyright law right there. So you're going to be infringing into the copyright law. Instead, you want to just simply copy some sections of this right now. You may actually copy everything right there, but we're going to be doing this batch by batch. You want to copy some section right now. Maybe if I do copy part of the first paragraph, I'm just going to go on to utilizing an amazing AI tool to paraphrase this content right here. And that AI tool right now is called the quillbot.com. If you come onto Quillbot, paste in that particular text right here and click on paraphrase, what Quillbot is actually going to do is that it's going to go on to rewriting this same content in a different manner right here. And you can actually get this right here. Copy this, go on to utilizing platforms like Google Docs right there to actually save that. Click on this blank icon right now, and you're going to just simply come right here to paste in that particular document or that text right here in this section. So you want to only be pasting in the text which you have actually paraphrased on Quillbot right here in this particular section. Once you do that guys, you want to head back to that particular section and actually paraphrase this once more. You're going to paraphrase this other next section right here. Maybe I'm just going to paraphrase to this section. If I come right here on Quillbot, actually paste in the new text and click on paraphrase, Quillbot is actually going to go on to paraphrasing this right now. As you can see, it's actually doing the cool work right here, and it paraphrased about 4 sentences right now. And you can just simply copy that, head back to your Google document right here and just simply go on to uploading that in this section. The cool thing about using Google Documents is that you can easily access this particular document from any location out there in the world right now. So you just want to utilize some stuff like this, and once you're done, it is quite important to go on to creating a simple voiceover. To create a voiceover, you just want to copy the entire text right here. Maybe you could just simply copy only the first paragraph alone. If you copy that right now, head on to this particular AI tool called the 11labs.io, or you could use other text-to-speech AI tools out there. You could use the Morph AI or the 11labs.io right now. All you need to do is to come onto this section, paste in that particular text, and click on generate, of which is going to convert this particular text into a voiceover right now, and that is actually quite amazing right here. You could actually go on to utilizing the text to speech option for this right now, and you could also go on to selecting the AI voice which you want to utilize for this right here. But actually it's more important that you go on to utilizing an already monetized YouTube channel for this particular strategy which I'm showing you right here in this video right now. And guys, if you are actually liking this video, do smash the like button to the video and subscribe to the channel. So moving right ahead into the video right now, after you've actually gotten your voiceover for the entire video right now, you may actually be needing some movie snippets or some clips, short movie clips for that particular movie right now, which is why you want to head on to platforms like YouTube right here, and actually go on to searching for Top Gun Maverick movie clips. You can see a lot of movie clips right here which you could utilize. Select one of the movie clip right now, or any of them right there. You could select more than one, and you want to just simply click on this share icon. You can see the link right now. Copy the link, head on to this particular platform called the ss-youtube.online, of which you want to paste in that particular link right here and click on enter. It's going to analyze the link and come up with that particular movie or that particular video from YouTube, of which you can only download the audio, or you could download the video right now in maybe any quality of your choice right here. So once you do download that right now, you can actually go into utilizing a video editor to actually match that particular voiceover with the video which you are downloading right here from YouTube. But make sure guys that once you're doing this, you remove the entire voice of this particular video that you downloaded from YouTube. Make sure that the only voice that will be actually in the video would be your own voiceover that you created right there. Because if you do just this right now, using this strategy I'm going to show you, you can actually go on to passing or not infringing into any of the copyright laws online right here. So you want to just simply utilize this right there, go on to merging this particular video with a voiceover which you actually created, and you could get more videos right here from this platform right here called YouTube. Just simply going to getting much more videos and merge as many videos as you can together right now. And guys, for each particular scene, make sure that the video does not last about 5 seconds per section right there. So you want to just be changing scenes right there. So make sure that each scene actually lasts about 5 seconds right there, so as not to actually make that quite too long and breach the copyright laws right now. And also in uploading the video, make sure you add a disclaimer right there that video was not originally yours right now, so as not to actually infringe into the copyright laws. So utilize all these simple strategies right now, which I actually showed you right here in this video, to go on to creating a simple videos such as this right now, or similar to what this particular channel right here called the Fox Recaps is actually doing, and utilize this to get a lot of engagement, which can also enable you to start getting a lot of money on YouTube. And if this video added some cool value to you, why not just simply smash the like button to the video, and sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now guys. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.